How many continents and oceans are on Earth? There are 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia and Antarctica. And 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Pacific Oceans. About 71% of land surface is covered with water, while others 29% consist of continents. Some basic knowledge about Asia continent. Asia is Earth's largest and most populous continent, located primarily in the eastern and northern hemisphere. Asia covers an area of 4,45,79,000 square kilometer, about 30% of Earth's total land area and 8.7% of the Earth's total surface area. Asia is subdivided into 49 countries. Russia is the largest country in Asia. Some basic knowledge about Africa continent. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. Africa covers an area of 3,03,70,000 square kilometer, about 20% of Earth's total land area and 6% of Earth's total surface area. The United Nations state that there are 54 countries in Africa. By land area, Algeria is the largest country on the continent. About North America continent. North America is the third largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa, and the fourth by population after Asia, Africa and Europe. North America covers an area of about 2,47,09,000 square kilometer, about 16.5% of the Earth's land area and about 4.8% of its total surface. There are 23 countries in North America. By land area, Canada is the largest country on the continent. A basic information about South America continent. South America has an area of 1,78,40,000 square kilometers. South America ranks 4th in area after Asia, Africa and North America, and 5th in population after Asia, Africa, Europe and North America. There are 12 countries in South America. By land area, Brazil is the largest country on the continent. About Antarctica continent. Antarctica is Earth's southernmost continent at 1,42,00,000 square kilometers. It is the 5th largest continent and nearly twice the size of Australia. About 98% of Antarctica is covered with ice that averages 1.9 km in thickness. About Europe continent. Europe covers about 1,01,80,000 square kilometers or 2% of Earth's surface, making it 6th largest continent. Europe is subdivided into 51 countries. Russia is the largest country in Europe. About Australia continent. Australia is the largest country in Oceania and the world's 6th largest country by total area. Australia's capital is Canberra, though its largest city in Sydney. The smallest continent by land area is Australia with 90,08,000 square kilometers, which represents just 6% of total land area in the world. About Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the Earth's oceanic divisions. It extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south and is bounded by the continents of Asia and Australia in the west and America in the east. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's ocean with an area of about 10,64,60,000 square kilometers. It covers approximately 20% of Earth's surface and about 29% of its water surface area. Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest of the world oceanic divisions, covering 7,560,000 square kilometer or 19.8% of the water on the Earth's surface. It is bounded by Asia to the north, Africa to the west and Australia to the east. To the south, it is bounded by Southern Ocean or Antarctica. Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is fourth largest ocean in the world. The Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean or Austral Ocean, comprises the southernmost water of the world ocean, generally taken to the south of 60° south latitude and encircling Antarctica. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of the world's 5 major oceans. It is also known as the coldest of all the oceans. Located mostly in the Arctic North Polar region in the middle of the northern hemisphere, besides its surrounding water, the Arctic Ocean is surrounded by Eurasia and North America. It is partly covered by sea ice throughout the year and almost completely in winter.
फ्रेंड, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।